Dad, are we ready? I really want to see the river today. I think this will be our best picnic ever.
Stay close to us, Henry. The river is beautiful, but the deep water can be dangerous. Always listen to Dad and stay where I can see you.
The water is deeper here, so everyone stays on the bridge. Look carefully, but never climb over the railing. Oh no! My ball fell into the river!
Dad, I can get it! Please let me get it back! Ah!
Dad! Help me! I slipped! I am falling! Dad, please catch me! I am really scared!
Henry, hold on to me! Keep your hands tight and stay calm! I have you, and I will not let go!
Dad, I was so scared. I thought I was going to disappear in the river. Thank you for finding me.
You are safe now, Henry. We were frightened, but you are here with us. That is what matters most.
Mom, can you stay with me? I feel tired, and my shoulder hurts. I really want Dad here too.
Henry, your shoulder is bruised, so we will take an X-ray. It should not hurt, and your family will stay nearby.
The good news is that Henry has no broken bones. His shoulder is bruised, and he needs rest and careful watching.
The doctor said Henry should rest tonight, but I still feel worried. Everything happened so quickly at the river.
Michael, we found an older injury near Henry's shoulder, including a tiny piece of metal. It needs further investigation. I remember this park. There was a big tree and a red slide. Something else happened there, but I cannot remember everything.
6 years ago, we lost sight of you for a few minutes. We found you near the old bridge.
I remember a bicycle bell. Then I saw someone near the water, but I cannot remember his face.
This is the place. I remember the red slide and the big tree, but something about that day still feels missing.
I remember someone near this little building. I was frightened, and I think I ran toward the river. I do not know why.
Dad, look at this metal tag. It has the same blue star I remember. I think it belonged to someone from that day.
Where did you find that tag? I remember seeing it 6 years ago. Henry was here when something happened near the river. Another boy was with Henry that day. He ran toward him and helped pull him away.
That boy was very brave.
He wore a red jacket, and he had a bicycle. I remember the bell now, and I think his name was Noah.
Dad, that is the bell I remember. Someone is behind the building. I think they may know me. Henry, I remember you. You were very young, and I helped you near the river. It happened 6 years ago.
Noah, you really saved me. I forgot your face, but I remembered your red jacket. I remembered your bicycle bell.
You were crying near the water, so I rang my bicycle bell. Then I told you to move away from the river.
When you slipped, your shoulder hit a broken metal fence. I thought the small piece only scratched your shirt.
I am happy I found you again, Noah. I forgot what happened, but I never forgot that someone helped me. Thank you.
You need a quiet evening now, Henry. Rest your shoulder and drink your soup. Let your family take care of you.
I added Noah to our family picture because he was part of Henry's story. We forgot him for many years.
Dad, thank you for saving me yesterday. I was terrified, but when I saw you, I knew I was safe. I love you.
You are my son, Henry. Whenever you are frightened or in danger, I will always come and try to help you. Always. Good night, Moja. Today was frightening, but everything is okay now. I am happy we are all together.
Henry remembers me now. I am glad we found each other again. I hope we can become good friends.
My shoulder feels much better today. I think I am ready to visit Noah again, but we will stay away from the river. Can we bring the ball this time? Just kidding, Dad. I learned my lesson. I will stay far away from deep water.
We can have fun together, Henry, but we stay on the safe path. Your family taught you an important lesson. I learned to listen, stay calm, and ask for help. Most importantly, family and friendship keep us safe.